Hi, I'm Kim. I'm here today to let you know what to expect when you visit one of our Fit Conwy leisure centres when we're ready to reopen. Since we've been closed, our staff have been busy deep cleaning and redecorating our leisure centres. When we reopen, our gyms will be closed twice a day for a deep clean. Before you arrive at one of our leisure centres, we have a new admission policy. You'll need to make sure that you've booked online, you need to make sure you're pre-showered before your activity, and you'll need to make sure that you're in your kit ready for your activity. To make sure your Fit Conwy account is up to date, please contact one of our leisure team. Unfortunately, we'll not be able to allow access to our leisure centres if you have not booked due to the safety of our customers and our staff. When you arrive at one of our leisure centres, we'll have a member of staff to meet and greet you at the door. They will then be able to show you which way to go to reception, and obviously reception you will swipe in yourself, and from there's arrows to show you which way to go to your activity. When you come back to use the gym, you will notice that we have moved our kit to make sure it's 2 metres apart to adhere to social distancing. This is to give you confidence to come back to use our facilities. If you haven't already got one of our wellness bands, you can purchase one of these at all our leisure centres for £12.50. This will help track your programme and it also limit the amount of times that you touch the screens. Hope you found this information useful. Stay active, stay safe, see you soon.